Hey! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to access device's calendar. Then click on the month above and pick a date. When you're ready, you can create your event by tapping over here twice or selecting this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choosing event from the list. Either way, now you can customize it however you want to. For example, add a title. Then you can pick one of your email accounts over here by tapping on the chosen one. I will go with HardReset.Info and events. Then pick starting hour and ending one. If you don't want to do that, you can always disable this feature as well by choosing this gray switcher next to all day. Now click on Does Not Repeat and select one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every year. If you don't, select Does Not Repeat. Now you can also add people, videos, and even choose add location. From here, select while using the app or only this time. Type in an address of your event and click on the correct result. Now you can also click on Add Notifications and set up notifications days, weeks, or hours before your event. I will go with Custom and select 5 days before. Then click on Done to save my changes. Now you can change color, take notes, and even add attachments. When you're ready, you can save your event by choosing Save at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you want to make some changes, you can always click on it and edit it by tapping on this button icon at the top right corner. Now make your changes. In order to discard them, select X at the top left corner and tap on Discard. If you wish to save them though, you need to click on Save. If you want to get rid of your event completely, you need to click on it over here and tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner. Now select Delete at the top and confirm your choice by clicking on Delete in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!